Introducing Scenarios, a new capability with Amazon Q and QuickSight. Let's see how a company can use this new generative BI experience to make data-driven decisions. This is Mary, business leader of Energy Snacks, an online retailer selling health-conscious products with 5 offerings. Mary has a QuickSight dashboard of customer order details. Her team uses Scenarios to provide a data-driven approach of their budget strategy. Before Scenarios, Mary had to use separate platforms to analyze data, make predictions, and compare analyses. Now, she can do all the work in one seamless environment within QuickSight. Scenarios uses Amazon Q to simplify complex business problems in an AI-assisted data analysis experience. Using natural language prompts and one-click actions, business users can unlock insights and make data-driven decisions with confidence. Let's see how. Mary sees that the APAC region has significantly less profit in sales than the other regions. She sees that Japan bought the highest number of products there, and she wants to explore investing more in Japan to promote product sales. To unlock insights that aren't visible on her dashboard, Mary uses Scenarios. She wonders, which products should we invest more in Japan to maximize revenue in the APAC region? Then, she selects visuals from her dashboard for Amazon Q to use. Q analyzes the data and generates suggestions related to Mary's prompt. She can choose to explore these or type her own. Mary likes Q's suggestion to see top-selling products in Japan. Q generates a block to provide its response as a numbered step-by-step analysis and thread connecting back to Mary's original query. In the first step of the block, Q filtered the data for total sales by product in Japan and generated a data table. Then, Q created another table, calculating total sales by product in Japan. It also provided a visual and narrative explaining the data. It looks like Grainfuls, Berry Bites, and Green Crunch had the highest sales, and Real Fuel Bars had the lowest by a large amount. Lastly, Q provided an overview of insights and recommendations. These stand out to Mary, and now she's curious to see how marketing campaigns affected sales in Japan. She asks Carlos, head of marketing, to send over their campaign data, which Mary uploads for Q to build additional context into its response. She continues down to explore Q's recommendations, creating parallel threads to make side-by-side comparisons. In the first thread, Mary analyzes the performance of Real Fuel Bar campaigns in Japan. And in the second, Mary wants to compare the performance of campaigns for Veggie Pops and Green Crunch. Q generates new blocks and filters data by the country and product type. Q makes calculations like return on investment and engagement rate. Mary scrolls through the comparisons, easily finding key differences between spending and campaign performance, which she'll bring back to her team. If she wants to modify any of Q's output, she can type changes, and Q will regenerate its analysis with the context that she's added. She can also delete, duplicate, or copy Q's output to another thread. Mary continues adding threads to uncover insights from her data. She can return to her scenario at any time in the QuickSight console. Scenarios makes it easier to unlock data insights without technical experience, enabling business leaders like Mary to navigate complex problems all within their Amazon QuickSight account.